So for the borek, we're going to start sauteing some onions in olive oil. So now for our borek, we are adding frozen spinach that's chopped and has been drained to the onions that are translucent, and we're going to saute it. Add some salt to the spinach and the onions. Pepper to the mixture. We are starting our borek. We have half a cup of vegetable oil. To that, we are adding how many eggs?
3 eggs.
We are adding 3 whole eggs. 1 yolk that we're going to reserve, and we're going to use that to brush the top of the borek for a golden brown. Egg and oil mixture, we're adding 1 cup of milk. This is for our borek. Okay, so now we're making our borek, and we have a pastry pan lined with parchment paper. Then we take our sheets, our pastry sheets, this is not fila dough, and we line the pan with the pastry sheets. Then we pour a little bit of the egg and oil mixture. This is basically like a Turkish lasagna, but instead of noodles, you are making this, or pasta, you are making this with the pastry sheets. So you're going to be layering this. It's a layering process. What we're doing is we continue layering the dough, and in between each layer and sheet of dough, we are going to add more of the egg and oil mixture and spread it around the surface of the dough. So far we have about 3 or 4 layers of the pastry sheets.
Any type of cheese. I put like very white, plain cheese, some the sharp very
Like white cheddar?
cheddar. I add mozzarella. More cheese is better. As long as it's cheesy, it just tastes better.
Also adding our spinach and onion mixture that's been sauteed. This is our filling for our borek. Extra touch and more flavor, it's a good idea to add some mozzarella or feta cheese, which really complements the spinach mixture.
Yeah.
Oh, I wanted to ask, is there any sort of,
Now I've become more American, I guess. Good morning. Coffee.
Okay, you can.
Okay, sorry.
and do you have a setup on it? No?
No, better.
Okay.
I will show it.
Just with one bag.
One bag, yeah.
We're making our borek. It's a layering process, as I've mentioned, and we have 2 layers of our spinach filling sandwiched in between our sheets of dough. The last layer of the spinach and onion filling, you're going to add pieces of butter to this, which will only enhance the flavor. Butter tastes better. We know that. That's very important in Turkish cooking. Now we're covering. Yes. Now we're covering this, and we're going to put the baby to rest. We're tucking it in.
How many layers? There's a lot of layers, right? Mm-hmm. Oh my god. That's why it's so good.
Yeah, it's 8,000 years.
Tuck in your ends and your edges,
Here, we took our students
and
to,
cover with more of your egg and oil mixture.
up the wood.
Right.
And with one of my friends, this musician from here, and so we went to church together. So we visited all the places, all the the
Mix it with the remainder of the ingredients, and this is going to be used to brush the top of the borek with to make it golden and brown and also crispy.
There you can see a woman with a full burqa walking arm in arm with a girl in a miniskirt. It reminded me of, you just see like Star Wars.
Before we bake our Borek, it's really a good idea to pre-slice it. This will help the butter and the topping to get between the cut area, but also it will make it a lot easier once it's baked and it's out of the oven to serve. Topping on the Borek, we're adding toasted sesame seeds, and this will add a nice flavor and crunch and make it even more beautiful when you serve this to your guests at your brunch.